My new book titled Handbook of Calculations for Fully Fashioned Sweater Manufacturing is a comprehensive resource designed to support professionals in the fully fashioned garment manufacturing industries. It's available in ebook, paperback, and hardcover formats. The book is inspired by Clark's Weave Room calculations, focuses on the mathematical and technical aspects essential for producing high-quality, fully fashioned garments. The book aims to cover all necessary calculations involved in garment manufacturing, including yarn count determination, conversion between direct and indirect yarn fineness systems, and the calculation of package density, a critical factor in weft knitting that often remains overlooked by many practitioners. It also explains the calculation of cover factors, which influence fabric quality and garment fit. A significant portion of the book addresses measurement-related challenges faced by manufacturers and designers. It provides detailed methodologies for deriving hidden measurements, especially vertical coordinates, which are vital for accurate pattern making. The book emphasizes the importance of precise measurement adjustments, such as reducing width from chest to shoulder measurements, and offers scientific approaches to determine these modifications. Pattern creation is another key focus area. The book guides readers through designing patterns for various styles of fully fashioned garments, ensuring that the shapes created are compatible with knitting machine requirements. It explains how to convert these shapes into knitting data charts, an essential step for machine programming, using mathematical procedures. Additionally, the book discusses the assembly of knitted panels on linking machines and the importance of linking data charts for proper panel stitching. Furthermore, the publication explores the application of golden ratios in garment manufacturing, providing scientifically validated human body ratios to determine optimal measurement points. This ensures garments are well fitted and conform to ergonomic standards. Throughout the book, detailed instructions are provided on how to prepare and utilize various data charts, ensuring precision in every stage of the manufacturing process. This book is indispensable for industry professionals, aspiring manufacturers, and educational institutions specializing in knitting technology.